Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to self-host n8n completely for free. Now, n8n offers you two options. The first option is to use their cloud or to self-host n8n on your local machine or any third-party services. Using n8n on its cloud requires you to pay for a subscription. Here are the three types of subscriptions offered. Now, this is not our case, as we are going to be self-hosting it completely for free on our local machines. The first step is when you go to their GitHub here and scroll a bit down, you will see a complete tutorial on how to quick start it on your local machine. You can either use Node.js or Docker. For this video, we'll be using Node.js, so we are required to install Node.js on our machines. Once we have done that, we should open our terminal, type in npx n8n, and hit enter. Yes to proceed, and wait for it to download. Once the download is complete, you will see that the n8n instance has started on your local machine. To be able to access it, you will have to either press O in the terminal or copy this URL and paste it in your browser. As you can see, now we have our n8n instance successfully deployed. We have to fill this form with the correct information and then click next. You can now click send me a free license key to the email you have entered in the form. That way you will get a free license key to activate all of the features for free. And just like that, you have n8n completely deployed for free on your local machine. If you want to use tools like Postman to be able to connect with the webhooks, you can go to terminal again, stop the current instance, and then add npx n8n start, and then -- tunnel, and wait for it to deploy again. And just like that, now you have an exposed URL that you can use your webhooks with. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.